Hello and welcome. Today it is Spain. All I have in my head is Spain. Okay, so I'm going to play and unpack Spain by Chick Corea. It is a lovely jazz standard and one of my personal favorites. So we're going to look at the Trinity Grade 4 version, how it's written, how it's played, and we're going to look at a different interpretation and a different arrangement, how that is played and how it's written. So stay tuned and enjoy. Okay, so in essence, we are in 4/4, which means it's 4 beats in a bar. That is our time signature. And in the Trinity book, we are told that we're playing at 120 beats per minute. Other versions online show 240 beats per minute. That's your metronome marking. So you're literally, it's that fast. We're playing the melody, so okay, and that's how it.
We move to the beat that is played in the A section, and you'll notice that the right hand plays the exact same rhythm as the right foot or the kick drum.
Okay, so our snare drum is on beat 3, and we've got the right foot or our kick on beat 1, the and of 2 on 3, and on the and of 4. And then the hi-hat fills in the spaces between, which is beats 2 and 4, which sounds 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3. So your right hand ends up playing exactly what your foot is playing or your kick is playing, and you're playing that on the hi-hat, which you can move over to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, because our metronome marking and our tempo is much faster than that, you would have to practice from slow beat, so from 60 beats per minute, for example, or whatever beat you're comfortable, whatever tempo you're comfortable playing in. You could start off there and build up. So right now, this is tempo marking 90. $95. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then I would obviously pick that up. This is 120. And I'm going to take it up to 240. I'm skipping quite a lot, as you can hear. Let's go to 200. 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and taking it up to the 240 that we want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, and that's the joy and the beauty of it, okay? Practicing from slow to fast, and that literally gets you the movements and the patterns and everything, all the muscles that you need to build up, muscle strength and endurance, moving, okay, to the place where you can play it at tempo and at the written tempo that's required. Okay, and so we move to the next section, which is kind of like the B section, or sort of a pre-chorus leading into the B section. But yeah, this is where the drum part plays with the vocalist or the melody, and we all play the melody together. Now, this part is also interpreted very differently depending on who's playing. So what's most important is that you get the hits, right, as you saw from the beginning, and that you play this melody as best as possible. So there's, in the second version that I'm going to do, this melody is accompanied or incorporated into a drum beat, okay, a semi-quaver drum beat. In this case, we are playing it in quavers, okay, as exactly how it sounds. So, boom, 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 boom. Okay.
Can remember the rain in December, the leaves of brown on the ground. In Spain I did love and adore you.
Right, so as you can see, this is in semiquavers. It's written in semiquavers. So Jarreau has, the drummer has basically revamped the part and done it according to his style and different grade level, right? Automatically we can see that the approach is different. Before we were dealing with grade 4, so we were dealing with quavers and very simplistic outline of how to play the song. Now we're in semiquavers. There's some toms that are added in here. There's quite a lot of arrangement that has now gone on.
Memories on fire, and I get a picture of all our yesterdays. Yesterday I can say I get a kick every time I see you gaze at me. I see moments of history. Your eyes meet mine.
Beautiful, beautiful. I mean, already we're now in the C section. So firstly, they have arranged it A, B, C, um, and which is different to what we saw. We were just dealing with the A section and B section, which was great for. But the incorporation of the toms, the arrangement is just so full of life and so full of dynamics, and it's just playing around with so much articulation. The semiquavers obviously, broaden the sound. They broaden sort of the approach and what the drummer is playing, because it gives you more space to have vocabulary. There's increase of toms, like I said. There's a cowbell added in here. It's beautiful. Beautiful articulation, beautiful arrangement. Yeah, have a listen, try it out. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it.
You gaze at me, I see more